Let it go and more. Here the scene. Hello. I'm in Kulasi. My hair is kulot-kulot. I'm really happy when I'm kulot my hair. And this is mommy. Mommy is eating. Not eating pellets. No, is getting peanuts. And
Ay. Jake, June! Later!
And this one is kulot-kulot.
Butan mo na karon na.